be using to produce this wonderful transparent liquid detergent is table salt. These are salt. This is what we are going to use. Hexapon and SLS. Other things is an additive, which is perfume, colored and perfume. So the major ingredients in this production now is hexapon, SLS and table salt. So go with me as we proceed in the production, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook at MIRACREASE Enterprise. So what we'll be dissolving first is our table salt. What I'm using for this production is 6 liters of water. Already I have 5 liters here and extra 1 liter here, which I'll be using. So now let's dissolve the table salt first. This production doesn't take time. So you dissolve the table salt and leave it here. Then the remaining water, I'm going to add it to this very paint here and use it to dissolve my SLS. So I'll be dissolving the SLS here. So I dissolve the SLS, then I will leave it for some time, like 20 or 30 minutes, for it to get dissolved very fast. So okay, let's leave it like this. Then go back to the salt, dissolve it more. Now I'll be adding the remaining ingredients to the table salt, which is hexapon. So I'll be adding the hexapon. While I add, I stir it. Don't forget to share this video, comment on the comment section, at least drop a like. It will encourage me to do more. Please share this video. So you stir it and make sure it traces very well. Stir it seriously. So you keep stirring. So at this junction now, I will now add the dissolved SLS and stir while I pour it in. Soup is gradually getting ready. So as I pour it and stir, now the soup is now getting thick on my hand. Immediately I pour the SLS. I stir it seriously because I want to have two color in this my production. So I'll be dividing my soup into two. So in one part I will add color, the other one I will not add color. So in this very one now, I'll add only perfume to it without color. So I'm not done with this, so I'll cover it and keep. Now let's come to the second one. So I'll add my dissolved color into it. Always remember to dissolve your color with water before adding it to your production. So now after dissolving stirring it, and I will now add my perfume to it. So this production is now ready. So once you are done with it, so you cover it and let it stand overnight. So by tomorrow we'll be checking what we have in our production. So here comes the second day. Our liquid detergent is now ready. Here is it. Very transparent. You can see inside the bucket. So, and the one I added colored, so you can see it. So it's very transparent. Even with the color, you can see inside it. So very transparent. This liquid detergent is mostly for dishwash. This is dishwash liquid. Pure. So now you can package your liquid detergent and sell. This is dishwash liquid.